Welcome my dear students. So in our previous video, my first video, where I have explained you about object oriented programming, ICSE computer application chapter 1. So today we'll continue that with new topic, next topic. So children, today our first topic will be tokens. So first of all children, what exactly is a token? Okay, let me tell you, each and every smallest individual element used in a Java programs are known as token, but they have a meaningful informations. That means you can say each and every individual element used in a Java program are known as token. Let us take one example. If I write int a is equal to 10 and semicolon. So children, this is token, this is token, this is token, this is token and this is token. So each and every statement, when we write a single one statement which consists of meaningful informations, but there should be meaningful informations. So that sort of expression, that sort of statements are known as tokens. So these tokens are categorized in 5 different parts. In Java, tokens are categorized in 5 different parts. What are they? Number 1, keywords. Keywords are known as reserved word. Every programming language, in fact every language in this world, they have their some set of words. That set of words contains some meaningful informations. Same way in Java also, there are some set of words. You can say 1.5, Java version 1.5 and above, you'll have 54 reserved keywords. Okay, and 1.1 had 50 reserved keywords. So we don't have too much. We have around you can say maximum is 60. We have this many keywords. With these keywords only we made an entire program, a big application we can make. So keywords are what? Reserved word with reserved meaning. These meanings are known to the compiler only. Like suppose if I take these expressions, this int, int. If you search in the dictionary like what is the meaning of int, you won't get. But according to Java language, according to object-oriented programming concept, int means integer, the numeric values, the value without decimal. So that is called reserved keywords or reserved words. Okay, so keywords are what? Reserved words. And Java is a case sensitive, so you are not allowed to change even the cases. Like int small letter. If you write capital int, that makes a different sense. So not allowed. So Java has certain reserved keyword, maximum you can say 60, like 1.5 and above we have 54 right now. So this many reserved keywords are there. Clear friends? So let us see the next. So student, what we learn? The first type of token, that is keywords, reserved word with meaningful informations to compiler. Let us move to second type. Identifier. Identifier is also known as variable. So what is identifier and what is variables? Variable means whose values are not fixed. Whose values are not fixed. Like in mathematics, if you remember, we always write let the number be x. What is x? Variable. Because the value of x will be calculated or it will be displayed only after the execution, after the solution is completed. Okay, same way in programming also, there are containers which will be empty, which will hold the values later on, or maybe the container which is used to identify the some values. Like if you talk about class P1. So what is P1? So identify variable of class. Okay, if you talk about int A, what is A? Variable or identifier to identify data type. Okay, so identifier or variables are used to identify the name. They are used to name of variables. Okay, they are used to name stored locations, memory location, a name to a memory location. That is identifier. Okay, identifier is what they are, like you can say they are used to name a memory location, name a memory locations. So we can write here like name a memory location. Okay, this is known as identifier or variable. Okay, so name a memory location. Now let us move to the third part. Third part we have is a constant, or it is also known as literals. Constant or literals. Now what is constant? Constant is fixed. Okay, like if you talk about int a is equal to 10, that means 10 is here constant, 10 is fixed. 10 means 10 only, or it won't be 11 or 12 like automatically. So whenever a values are fixed, maybe name also. Okay, like we talk about computer, that means that is computer only, it will not turn to mobile phone automatically. So that are the fixed values. So we can say constant or literals means fixed value. Fixed value. So fixed value can be of any type, can be number, can be text, can be single letter, can be in decimal. Okay, so many are there. So constant means fixed. Remember this one. So third, then fourth point. Operator. Now what is operator, children? Operator used to operand, like if you have two numbers or two variables or two values, you need to add, subtract, multiply, divide, so many things you are going to do on that. So to do these things we need operators, we need a plus, we need a minus, we need multiplication, division, so many are there. Okay, so these are known as operators. Operators can be again of different types, children. It can be assignment operator, it can be a relational operator, it can be arithmetic operators, it can be logical operators. Assignment operator like equal to, single equal to, which is used to assign the value to variables. Single equal to, assignment operator. Arithmetic means plus, minus, multiplication, divisions, used in mathematics. Relational operator, greater than, smaller than, less than, equal to, okay, greater equal to, less equal to, these are not equal to. Logical and or not. So we have how many type of operators? Alright, here we have assignment operator. Number 2, arithmetic. And number 3, relational. And number 4, logical. So 4 different type of operator we have. Okay, assignment to assign the value, that is single equal to, arithmetic all mathematical operators, relational greater, smaller, less, greater equal to, less equal to, not equal to, okay, or simply equal to also, double equal to. And logical is and or not, 3 are there. So these are known as operator. They are used to operate on operand. These are used to operate on operand. Because if you write A plus B, then A and B becomes operand, O-P-E-R-A-N-D, and plus operator, total expression. Clear, children? Now let us move to the fifth type, the last type, that is a separator. So children, what is separator? Separator are used to separate the statement. If one line ends, automatically the next line begins. This separation of a statement, separations of expressions, that is known as separators. In Java we have so many, like we have a bracket, we have comma, you have semicolon, you have full stop, you have curly bracket. Okay, so these are known as separator. They are used to separate the statement. They are used to separate the expressions. Okay, these are some symbols which are used in expressions or statement to separate between them. Separate one statement with another statement. Separate one expression with another expressions. We use separators. So children, what you understood from here? Tokens are what? each and every smallest individual element used in a Java program. How many type? 5 type. Number 1, keywords, reserved word. 1.5 and above, we have 54. Okay. Then next we learn about variables or identifier. It is used to name or memory locations. It may be class name, it may be data type name. Okay. Second we have third we have constant or literals, fixed value whose values are not changed. Okay, it can be again text or numbers. Fourth we have operator, which are used to operate on operand. Type, 4 different types: assignment, arithmetic, relational and logical. And the fifth one we have is a separator, which is used to separate two statements or two expressions. Examples: comma, semicolon, full stop, question mark, curly bracket, first brackets. Okay, these are known as separators.